Imagine walking into your local grocery store and finding the shelves completely bare. What if I told you that by 2025, this could be a reality? Your grocery store shelves could be empty, and power outages might not just last a few hours, but could stretch on for days at a time, leaving you and your family in the dark, searching for ways to stay comfortable and safe. Even your favorite takeout spot might close its doors, and suddenly, grabbing a quick meal isn't an option anymore. It might sound far-fetched, but experts are raising alarms. Our supply chains are more fragile than we think. Our power grids are aging and vulnerable, and extreme weather events are happening more often, becoming the new normal in many places. This isn't about doomsday prepping or living in fear. It's about being smart, proactive, and just a little ahead of the curve so you're not caught off guard. Think of it like having insurance. You hope you'll never need it, but if the unexpected happens, you'll be incredibly grateful you took a few simple steps to prepare. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get ready for the unexpected, without spending a fortune or turning your life upside down. We'll break down 10 practical, affordable, and simple steps that anyone, no matter your experience or budget, can take to be ready for almost anything life throws your way. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan and real peace of mind knowing you're prepared. Let's dive in and get started. First up, food. It's the foundation of any emergency plan, but you don't need to go full bunker mode to be prepared. Forget bunkers and ancient rations. Just aim to get through a week without the store. The goal isn't to survive the apocalypse, but to make sure you and your family are comfortable if you can't get to the store for a few days. Every grocery trip, buy 1 or 2 extra non-perishable items you actually eat. Think canned soup, pasta, rice, beans, peanut butter. Over time, these small additions add up to a solid stash without breaking the bank or taking up too much space. Store your stash in a labeled bin in a cool, dark spot, and use the FIFO method, first in, first out. This way, you're always eating the oldest items first so nothing goes to waste. Rotate your stock so nothing expires, just like grocery stores do. Set a reminder on your phone or calendar to check your stash every month or two. Don't forget drinks. Water is critical, but a few comfort items like instant coffee, tea, or juice boxes can boost morale and make tough days a little easier. No need for MREs or panic buying. Just a simple rotating stash of real food you already enjoy. This keeps your meals familiar and stress-free, even in a pinch. Add a couple of items each trip, label with purchase dates, and include some comfort drinks. It's easy, affordable, and you'll always have something you like on hand. This small habit puts you way ahead if shelves ever go bare, or if you just want to skip a trip to the store during a busy week. It's not paranoia, it's just smart planning. You're building peace of mind, one can at a time. Let's move on to water, another essential you'll want to have ready. Water is your top survival priority. You can last weeks without food, but only days without water. Store at least 1 gallon per person and pet per day, using clean, food-grade containers. Clean and fill containers, label with the date, and stash them in a cool, dark place. Rotate your water every 6 months. Set a phone reminder so it stays fresh. Don't forget pets in your calculations. If you need to use stored water, use it for plants or cleaning, then refill. This simple system ensures you're covered if the taps run dry. No need for a mountain of bottled water, just a little planning. Water is the foundation of your emergency prep. Next, let's keep your lights on when the power goes out. When the power goes out, it's fun for about 5 minutes. Maybe you tell stories or play a quick game by candlelight. But soon, your phone dies, the fridge gets warm, and you realize how much you rely on electricity for comfort and safety. Forget expensive generators for now. Start by building a stash of batteries for your essentials, like flashlights, radios, and small fans. Having a variety of battery sizes on hand means you're ready for anything. Invest in a portable power bank with at least 10,000 milliamp hours. This can recharge your phone several times, keeping you connected to news, loved ones, and emergency alerts even during extended outages. Add a solar or hand-crank charger for backup. These can keep your power bank or devices going when the outage lasts longer than expected, and you can't rely on wall outlets. For lighting, battery-powered LED lanterns are a must. They're safer and longer lasting than candles, and they can light up an entire room without the fire risk. Place lanterns in key rooms, like the kitchen, bathroom, and hallway, so you can move around safely and comfortably even in the middle of the night. When the power's out, Unplug major appliances and electronics. This prevents dangerous surges that can damage your devices when electricity returns suddenly. Unplugging also helps the grid recover more smoothly, reducing the risk of further outages or damage when power is restored. These simple, affordable steps keep you connected, comfortable, and safe, no matter how long the outage lasts. You don't need fancy or expensive gear, just smart basics and a little planning. Next, let's talk about your health and how to be ready for medical needs during an emergency. A little preparation goes a long way, giving you peace of mind when the unexpected happens. Here's how to build a real first aid kit that covers the basics and beyond. Emergencies turn small health issues into big problems, so a real first aid kit is a must. Stock up on bandages, gauze, tape, antiseptic wipes, antibiotic ointment, pain relievers, hydrocortisone, and antihistamines. Add at least a week's supply of any prescription meds. Talk to your doctor about extras. Keep a printed and digital list of all medications, dosages, and doctors. Check your kit every 6 months. Replace expired items and restock as needed. Don't rely on tiny pre-made kits. Customize yours for your family's needs. A well-stocked, up-to-date kit is peace of mind in a box. Now let's talk about money. In a blackout, digital payments vanish. Cash is king. Keep $100, $200 in small bills set aside for emergencies. Store cash in more than one place, your go bag and a secure spot at home. Small bills make transactions easy when no one can make change. Start setting aside a few bills at a time until you hit your goal. Don't keep it all in your wallet. Diversify your stash. This simple step gives you options when others have none. Next, know where to go if you can't stay home. Sometimes, staying home is the worst option. Think fire, flood, or chemical spill. Identify 2 or 3 local emergency shelters and write down their addresses and phone numbers. Keep a physical copy. Map out multiple evacuation routes, including back roads, and practice them with your family. Establish 2 meeting spots, one right outside your home and one outside your neighborhood. Make sure everyone knows these locations by heart. Practice your routes so you can act fast under stress. A clear plan saves precious time in a real emergency. Now let's make sure you can communicate when the grid goes down. When disaster hits, cell service and internet can disappear. Get a battery-powered or hand-crank radio that receives NOAA weather radio for official updates. Print out your key contacts, family, friends, doctors, schools, and keep copies in your wallet and go bag. Designate an out-of-state contact as your family's check-in point. Everyone reports to them if local lines are jammed. Build relationships with neighbors now, exchange numbers, and talk about skills and resources. Your local network can be your best asset when outside help is slow. Redundant, old-school communication keeps you informed and connected. Don't rely on your phone alone. Next, let's pack your go bag the right way. Here's what you really need. A go bag isn't extreme. It's just a backpack with 72 hours of essentials, ready to grab and go. Pack water, high-energy snacks, a flashlight with extra batteries or hand crank, a small first aid kit, and a power bank. Include personal meds, a whistle, hygiene items, and copies of key documents, plus a USB drive with digital copies. Add cash and small bills and a comfort item, a book, cards, or a child's toy. Store your bag somewhere easy to grab, closet, car, or by the door. Make sure each family member has a bag tailored to their needs. Practice grabbing your bag during drills. A go bag turns chaos into calm when you need to leave fast. Next, let's cook without a kitchen. Here's how to eat well when the power's out. Power's out, but you still need hot food and safe water. Use a gas or charcoal grill outdoors, never inside, or a portable camp stove on a balcony or in a safe outdoor spot. Always keep extra fuel on hand. No grill? Improvise with a hobo stove, tin can, sterno cans, or even a sturdy candle and small pot. Just be careful with fire. Practice making simple one-pot meals with your backup method before an emergency. Knowing you can cook without electricity turns a crisis into a manageable inconvenience. Fire safety is key. Never cook indoors with outdoor gear. Now let's make sure your plan actually works. Gear is great, but practice is what makes you truly ready. Run a preparedness drill once or twice a year. Turn off the power, cook with your backup method, and use your emergency supplies. Test your gear radios, flashlights, power banks, and check expiration dates on food and meds. Involve everyone. Make it a game for kids to find supplies or map evacuation routes. Practicing reduces fear and builds confidence. Schedule a recurring emergency plan checkup every 6 months. Preparedness is a habit, not a one-time project. Regular practice ensures you're calm and ready when it counts. Don't just plan, test it. Now let's wrap up. That's it. 10 simple, practical steps to get you and your family ready for anything. No bunkers, no panic, just smart habits and a solid plan. Start small. Buy an extra can of soup, print your contact list, or pack your go bag this week. Preparedness is about confidence, not fear. Subscribe for more tips, and remember, the best time to prepare is now. Stay smart, stay ready, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.